This is a new addition to the garage. It's Toyota.
It's a JSX 100. It is not, buddy.
And no matter how many times Ben tells me to do movie quotes for this, I'm not doing it. And I just set the alarm off. Can you grab my keys? Ignore the flashing lights. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Is that a barra?
2J twin turbo.
No shit.
Pretty stock. It's got a gritty front mount, standard turbos. It's got a non-factory air thingo and they've done a weird thing here. So when I first got it, this was set up as a normal radiator cap, which is what it is, and then the overflow also had the seals in and a pressured radiator cap, so it didn't work. So I've now unpicked the seal out of that, so it goes good. But anyway, standard, mostly. So for the water pump and a few other things. Body-wise, she's a little ugly. You gotta hit the big button.
Yeah, she's got some pain issues. Cannot hear you over the exhaust.
It's got some Dickie 18s on it. Pretty nice inside. No, let's go for a drive. Oh. Inside it's pretty comfy. Like, for it to warm up a little bit. It's comfy, it rides nice, it's got T and coilovers.
Just so you know, I got done speeding here last night.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
How fast?
80 and a 70.
Damn. I can't use that in my video.
Sure you can.
What?
If you like these shirts, you should leave us a comment.
Maybe. So it's got some weird gauges. 2 of them don't work. This one now works properly because we've done a couple of things already to fix it up. I've had this for 2 weeks. It's a bit late for the video. I realized I don't have anything for tomorrow.
So it never used to run vacuum on the gauge because it was set up weird. Also, the illumination for it is set up to the fog light?
No, fog lights.
Yeah, the fog lights, which is illegal to drive in this state with fog lights on. So all that gauge is telling me is we're illegal right now.
Yes. Yes, we are. That and it's awfully low.
Don't worry about the low or the loud or the fast or any of that kind of things.
Oh, it's not fast yet.
Oh, more gauges!
Yeah, I saw that. I don't know why. Come on, you peoples.
Tells you your water temperature.
Wood, but
now we're turning onto back roads.
yes, a private back road.
Yep, this is a private segregated street.
It goes alright.
So it had some spinning issues.
Yeah.
And some problems with bad fuel.
Yeah, the guy tried telling me it had a boost cut issue, which was completely garbage.
Turns out boost cut is French for 91 octane.
He put shit fuel in it and it run like arse. But we fixed that with good fuel, injector cleaner, octane booster, and several hard drives worth of tanks.
Like any problem, it's fixed by flogging.
Yeah, it is. For a big car. We sort of are running out of day. It's only 5 o'clock.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's going to be dark very soon. So
cars.
go up, drop me off on the side.
Which side?
Either side. And I think you need to do like a hoot down past me. So